Hello everybody, this is Reviews and More, back with our household item review. This is the ProHeat x2 Bissell Wet Vac. It's corded. It is designed to help with pet stains and general carpet cleaning, meant for wall-to-wall carpet, but it can also be used on rugs provided there's something there to take it down. Alright, now as far as the cost, this thing cost $200 at Sam's Club. We basically picked it up because we were planning on doing a full carpet clean of the whole house, which would have taken several days, probably with moving furniture and just us not feeling up to doing it all at once and waiting for things to dry and whatnot. The practical aspects of basically cleaning carpet in a multi-level house. So we decided to get a rug doctor. Rug doctor would have been like a little over $100 minimum, plus the cost of all the materials that they don't include with it, and that would probably put it closer to $150 by the time it was all said and done after buying all the various cleaning supplies. And we realized that, well, we can just buy this for $200 from Sam's and we could have it forever and use it whenever needed. And we have a puppy, as you can see, running around there, a little Cavalier King Charles Spaniel who loves to get into mischief. And if you didn't catch that because it was in fast mode while my wife was unboxing this item, he peed behind her. So you can kind of see why we got this, because that little rat running around doing what he does. Because he's a puppy, accidents happen, and we just have to make sure that they don't happen permanently and leave horrible, horrible stains. So there you see a close-up of all the various pieces and parts to the Bissell right here. A good little section of brushes to make sure you're not just dumping water onto the carpet, but you're actually scrubbing the carpet and removing stains, or at least loosening them so they can be removed later. This is a ProHeat model. That means that it will maintain the heat of the water. It will not actually heat the water itself. It won't take cold water and make it like steam hot. What it does is it takes hot water that you get out of your sink and maintains the heat over a period of time with an internal heater. It's basically a maintenance item, not a actual heating element to create heat itself. Similar technology is used in Bissell's little handheld item, which we also happen to have. Other cool things that come with this Sam's bundle is the, I think it's 6 different bottles of cleaner. It comes with all the various PC parts and hoses if you want to use the spot cleaner as well. And from that point, I think that basically all of it, extendable hose, all that fun stuff to basically give you the option to do spot cleaning versus whole carpet cleaning. Now what we're going to do here today is whole carpet cleaning. So you see my wife just setting the thing up, making sure it's all ready to go. Working step by step to get the basin on there. For holding all the water and getting it nice and clean. And momentarily she's going to show you how to attach the handheld portion of it to make it into a kind of a spot cleaner. It attaches to the base of the actual vacuum itself, and from there you can use it as a spot cleaner on rugs, stairs, that kind of stuff, where the Bissell vacuum can't really get into the corners and things. If you have fully carpeted stairs like we do, makes it a lot easier. It's a good little attachment, and it kind of gives you the best of both worlds. You don't have the pure mobility of a spot cleaner, but you also have the benefit of a larger cleaner in general. So she's now filled the thing up. The instructions are pretty clear on how to do that. And she's going to run through this. I'll show a before and after picture once she's run through the whole area, and you'll kind of get an idea of what you can get out of it. To give you an idea of what's going on with this carpet's original to the house, so it's early 1990s carpet. It's higher quality carpet, but it's just that, you know, that 1990s beige. It kind of doesn't show anything, but it just gets darker and darker over time. And this is a good room to test this on because it's a high traffic room near an exit. So even if you, like, the first thing you do is you take your shoes off and walk in here, you're still going to get the sweat of your socks, all the various grimy, grody things on there. We've run a Dyson through here multiple times. We clean it pretty much once a week to vacuum, and it's still pulled up a whole lot with this wet vac, and we're really kind of impressed with it. And by the end of it, you will see that there is an awful lot of cleanliness going on, and it's a lot brighter in color. We're going to run it again one more time, but for the time being, we're just going to kind of do it for this video and get it done. So there you see my beautiful wife vacuuming, making it super nice and clean. And from here we can kind of just see the before and after, just how quickly it does actually pull up a lot of the stain. She's making her nice lines in the carpet. And then we'll speed this up just to give it a little bit more time and save y'all some effort in watching. But overall, it did a really great job. It was very easy to use. It weighs less than 20 pounds when empty. When you add the water to it, it probably weighs closer to 25, 30 pounds. It's holds a little bit less than a gallon in there if it's completely full. I'd say probably closer to half a gallon. So I think probably it's about 24 to 25 pounds when it's fully put in with all the water and liquid. But here we go with the before and after. She basically got it done right here, and it looks a lot nicer. And we'll run through here. And then she'll be finished up, and we'll show you before and after in case you don't want to have to go jump back and forth. So here's the before and after. just takes a lot of the dinginess out of the carpet, so that all those little, it just looks brighter in general, and overall pretty satisfied with it. If you need real proof as to what it picked up, you can see it right here. This is all the gunk and mess and dirt and sweat and feet and pet urine, all the fun stuff you don't want in the carpet being dumped out, including a fair bit of carpet fuzz and lint. So even after going through like several rounds of the Dyson over the year we've had it, it's done a great job pulling up anything else that's loose. And again, that just means you don't have to worry about later, and it makes the carpet look a lot brighter to have it all cleaned out. So there's the result, and then we probably got to clean that drain now because we weren't expecting quite that much lint to come out of it. But overall, really happy with the product. Did a great job, and we're probably going to be using it again in that same room just because that is such a high traffic room close to an exit leading outside, and the result is that room gets very dirty very quickly, and to the best of our knowledge, except for us, it's never really had a deep scrubbing clean. So we're really happy with the results, and that's the review, guys. Thanks for watching.